Hope you're doing well. Today's product that I want to talk to you about is Vegamour Thicker Full Grow Plus Advanced Lash Serum. My time to vet the products out and I make sure that the products do work, and especially with such an item as a lash enhancer, we definitely want to take our time with this and give it a full 30 days to make sure it works. But guess what? I have great news. It really does work, and it works very, very well. I am happy to report that I do see fuller, thicker, longer lashes on my eyes. So you're going to take it out of the original packaging as so. You'll love it because it's a beautiful mint green. And you're just going to make sure that you take it. You will apply it to the tops of the lashes, both sides, and the lower lashes as well. Now I want to just point out something extremely important. You just want to make sure that you only do this once in the morning and once at night. Do not do too many more times in between. Just follow the instructions. It's not going to grow any faster if you do more per day. So just make sure you're doing it twice per day.